Sweet dreams, Spot. It was the start of a busy day. After breakfast, Spot went with his mom to do the shopping. There was a long list of things to get. Thank you, Spot, said Sally. I couldn't have done all this without your help. After lunch, he went to the park with his dad. Come on, Spot, said Sam. I'll race you to the playground. At the playground, Spot went on the swings. Push me higher, Dad, said Spot. When Spot and his dad got home from the park, Helen and Tom and Steve came over to play hide and seek. Finally, as it was getting dark, Spot's friends went home to bed. Spot was ready for bed too. After Spot had had his supper, he went for a last walk in the garden. A small voice said, "Hello, Spot. Have you come out to play?" "No, I'm going to bed," said Spot. "Oh well," said the mole. "Sleep tight." As Spot walked by the pond, he heard a frog croak. "Hello, Spot. It's a lovely evening for a swim." "Not for me, thanks. I'm off to bed," said Spot. "Too-wee-too," hooted the owl. "Good night, Owl," said Spot. "What do you mean, good night?" the owl asked. "I've just woken up. I've got lots to do." "Rather you than me," Spot yawned. "I've had a busy day." Spot went back indoors. "Good night, everyone," he said. "Have fun." Spot kissed his dad. "I've had a lovely day, Dad. Thanks for taking me to the park." "Good night, Spot," said Sam. Sally came in to kiss Spot good night. "Read me a story, Mom," said Spot. Sally opened the book and started to read. Spot snuggled down, cozy and warm. He got sleepier and sleepier. By the time the story was over, Spot was fast asleep. "What a tired little puppy you were," Sally whispered. "I didn't realize that you were already asleep. I've been reading the story, and there was no one listening." "Oh, yes, there was," said a voice. Sally looked around, and there sitting on the window sill were the owl, the frog, and the mole. "Thanks for the story, Sally," they said. "And sweet dreams, Spot." Spot opened one eye. "Yes, thanks, Mom," he said. "Good night, everyone," and he fell fast asleep again.